Credit decisions are hard. A lot of information and sometimes with high risk. With automated purchase recommendations, it's easier. The add-on purchase recommendations let you decide and set the parameters, and the clever system will decide if the invoice should be purchased or not. You set up the parameters for which rules should be taken into consideration and how. For example, you can choose to check payment terms rules, client limit rules, and invoice amount rules. Then, Clever calculates the recommendations for you during the import of the invoices. It helps you to decide if invoices should be purchased and whether they should be purchased with or without recourse. You can choose to check the recommendations manually or automate the whole process. Clever helps you to make clever and better credit decisions with your data.